If you see column B has the list of all the activity here, beginning from the construction activity, drilling activity, and well operation activity. And this row one is a replica of this construction activity here. So what we will do, we will take one pair of activity. Say for example, I will highlight here with some color so that you understand. This is, let's say we'll put this color. No, this is not readable. This is not readable. I will put some color. I will put some color, which is the best color. Okay, I think you are able to read it. And this activity will see, and we will see the vertical columns. So this hot work versus hot work is not applicable, because if you are doing one welding job, you can do 2 welding job, 10 welding job nearby the area, no problem. So this is not applicable. So now I will go for the second one. We will say critical work. I will zoom in. Critical work, I will make the color so that you understand. So we are discussing this pair of activity, A2 activity versus A1 activity, hot work. So critical activity is saying that work at height and confined space entry. And the same time, can you do hot work, cutting, welding? So I am putting a restriction. Restriction means it's a not to bypass of permit to work system. You have to restrict this job. You have to have some special task risk assessment, JSA, TRA, to see if there are any other hazards or approved method statement. So I'm putting in the restricted category. It's not simply allowed. So likewise, we will go for now A3 is general work, cold work. Cold work can be done with hot work, no problem. And with this critical work, working at height, I am putting R3. As we have seen in the beginning, R3 is there. R3 is work at height. We need to have some additional safeguard when you are working at work at height. So that is why we are putting it R3. See guys, you guys have right to tell me wrong or right, because I have put best of my 35 years experience. So this is my view and construction TR view. You can stop anytime. Likewise, vehicle movement in the non-hydrocarbon area. So vehicle movement in the non-hydrocarbon area, these activities can be allowed. That means hot work you can do, critical work you can do, general work you can do. There is no problem. But when we say no problem, that means we must respect the work permit system of contractor, of EPC contractor. Likewise, this is a critical activity, vehicle movement in the hydrocarbon area, because there is some possibility in the well